This is how to turn off autocomplete recommendations and search suggestions in Google Chrome. So let's get started. So currently, as you can see, if I type something in the search box on top, then here I'm getting recommendations. And if it's in my history, like this, Google Drive, Google Forms, etc., then those links are coming as well. So if we want to remove this, there are two steps that we have to follow. First is to delete all of our browsing history if we don't want that to show up. And to do this, click on the three dots, which are on the top right. Then here come to delete browsing data, and here select all time. So click on more, then all time. And from here, you have to delete your browsing history. If you want to delete more, you can do that as well. So I'll just delete that and click on delete data. And now it's deleted. So this was the first step, and let's try it out. So now if I type forms or drive, those links aren't coming anymore since it's been deleted. And now coming to the second step, again click on the three dots on the top right, then click on settings, and here select sync and Google services. And here scroll down and you'll find this option, improve search suggestions. So here they're saying that when you type in the address bar, Chrome will send you suggestions. So let's turn this off. And now I'll go to a new tab and try it out. As you can see, nothing is coming. I can search for anything and no suggestion or autocomplete recommendation is coming. So this is how it works, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.